Right, hey guys, so this is super late video. For some reason none of the boxes are coming earlier. So, happy February everybody. Today we are doing Birch box. This was the first box that's arrived and I cannot wait to open it. I have been hiding so I haven't seen anyone else's reviews or anything like that, and I cannot wait to get into this. But before we start, if you sync up my videos and you enjoy them, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so then you don't miss any of my videos. So, I haven't opened this yet, as you've just seen. And this one, oh, it's pretty. It says there, with love. And there's that. So I'm just going to open it up. I'm not going to see anything because we do have the top bit. And I'm going to let you guys have a look first. Right, so, oh, there's quite a bit in here actually. So, let's have a look, see. I'm going to do something a bit different this time, I think. I'm going to pick up an item and then I'm going to have a look in here. Just mix it up a little bit. So, first thing we've got here is, okay, it's the Antibiotics, the Great British Flake of Summer Strawberry Body Scrub. Oh, I've had this brand a couple of times. I've never had a scrub from them. So, let's have a look. So, this is a full-size product and it's 50ml. And its RRP is £1.50. It just says the sweet scrub helps the skin feel its very best, effective yet gentle. Formula contains almond oil and glycerin to deeply hydrate and smooth, plus apricot seed powder to buff and exfoliate. So that's gives us a bit of a whiff. Oh, it does smell nice. Yeah, the colour of it, I'm not going to squeeze it too much, reminds me of the apricot face scrub. That's just the colour of it reminds me of. It smells really nice. It's not a really in-your-face heavy strawberry scent, but it's really nice. What we got next here? This is, I can't even pronounce that brand, I'm not going to try. It's a Reset Exfoliating Jelly Shampoo. Ooh, I've never heard of those before. We've got 20ml here. This is a travel size. It's the only travel size we've got. Yeah, this is weird. RRP the full size one doesn't say how many mil the full size is, but the full size of this is RRP of 20 quid. So it says, give your scalp some Wilders of TLC with its 2-in-1 shampoo and scrub. Suitable for all hair types. Its innovative jelly formula uses charcoal, pink clay and sea salt to purify, rebalance and smooth your scalp, removing all traces of build-up and dead skin cells. Ooh. So yeah, so you literally, I'm guessing you just rub this into your scalp more than the whole of your hair. Let's just see what it says. I can't find how to use it. But no, okay, so let's have a look at this one. I've never ever heard of anything like this before. It's got a seal on it. I like it when things have seals. So let's have a look. Chuck that over there. Ooh, okay. I'm not going to pop it out, but that's what it kind of looks like. It's got like little scrubbies in, I can see. I'm going to get a little bit with my finger. Oh, yeah, definitely it's got some scrubbies in. Which it did say it adds, was it sea salt? Oh, that smells so good. It reminds me of something else, but oh, that does smell nice. Might have to give that a go. Because I don't get much dandruff, but I do get really itchy scalp. So there's the second product. What's next? Okay, so here we've got a Lord and Berry product. And it's, the colour of this is called Soul. It's full size. RRP, this is 14 quid. Yeah, it's a Maximat Lip Crayon. And this one's in Soul. It says, this inner meets lipstick delivers brilliant matte colour that glides on effortlessly. But don't let the matte formula escape. It's made with soothing emollients for a comfortable soft feel. Plus a fine tip applicator makes it easy to line and fill your lips. Because it says tip, but it doesn't really have a tip on it. And you can see, it's kind of flat. I will do a swatch. It's quite smooth. But there's the kind of colour of that. It's a nice colour. I do like that colour as well. I don't know if it really suits me. I can't put anything on my face at the moment. I'm getting over a sty, which is great. But so there's that one. So it feels nice. I don't know if it might just need a little bit of warming up. It felt smooth, but not as smooth as I was hoping. Right, next. Oh, this is the one we got to pick. This is full size. RRP this is £9.50. And it's Botanic's Beauty Boom Blush. And this one is in Pink Freesia. It says not just pretty in the pan, it's peachy pink blush. Gives your cheeks natural, luminous finish created with sorry, so that again. Created with anti-inflammatory rose extracts, this velvety lightweight powder is sheer but buildable, allowing you to control the perfect coverage. Ooh! So I want to go more peachy because I do find like peachier tones do suit me quite well. And the only blush I actually have is from Benefit, which is Dandelion. And it's my absolute favourite blush ever. And I just don't really pick any other blushes up. So let's have a look. So that's what it looks like. It's got a gorgeous, gorgeous little rose in there. And I'm just gonna. Oh, it's smooth. It feels nice and smooth and buttery. Right, so it's kind of sheared out my hand there. I was gonna add a little bit more. See if it's like built up. And there it is built up. So I think my lighting's kind of washing it a bit, but it's really nice, peachy toned. So there it is on my hand, and there it is in the pan. It's really, really nice. Perfect for my real pale complexion, I'd say. I said there was 2 of these to pick from, and I picked the lighter one because I'm pale. Right, next one, what's this? Oh, a lip mask. So this is a Plump and Repair lip mask. This is full size again. We literally only have one that's not full size, which is nice. So it says we aim for kissable lips all year round, but especially in February. This gel, like lip mask that is fused with hyaluronic acid, collagen boosters, and mulberry extract, improves elasticity, adds moisture, repairs, and soothes dry skin. You literally pop this on the lips 15 minutes, and away you go. Ooh, I don't really use masks very often. I don't have time with 2 kids. But now that I can't wait. And then the last thing we've got in here is, what is this? Spacemasks.com. So it says this is full size and it's $3.50. Space Masks Rose Mask. So what to do with this then? Just February calls for little self-love and me time. So reach this relaxing space infused with nourishing and mood calming rose. When you remove this mask from the packet, a thin layer of iron fillings inside entwined with oxygen molecules that cause the mask to heat up. Ooh, so I'm guessing you can like continue to use this one then? Or is it just like a one... Doesn't really say if it's a one-time use or if you can use it over and over. I'm not sure. Really, really cool though. I can't spend 3 over that. I'm intrigued with that one actually. I might use that over the weekend, so I work weekends, so I'm always knackered on the weekend, and that might be used. Ooh. So that is a really, really nice box actually. So it's the obviously the Valentine's Day edition. It is definitely more geared towards that, I'd say. So we got the eye mask thing, which has really confused me. We got a lip mask. We got the gorgeous, gorgeous blusher, the lip pencil liner thing, a jelly scrubby shampoo, and a body scrub. I really do love Birch box. The things you get are great. They are normally more travel size. I always have in my head, but I'm very, very impressed with this box. And that's to see if there's anything else. Have we got a sneak peek? Yeah, okay, so we do have a sneak peek for March, which is a liquid eyeshadow. It's going to be full size, and it's from the company Forgive Me. Forgive Me Susie. There's 3 different ones you can get. I know, sorry, it's backwards. Those are the 3 shades. Can't really tell on here. It looks like there's a rose gold, a copper, and maybe a pink. But yeah, so that's going to be the sneak peek. It's going to be a full-size liquid eyeshadow. I don't do eyeshadow very often, but I'm intrigued with that one. So guys, that is everything that I got in the Birchbox and the sneak peek. I will pop a link below if you do not have Birchbox and you'd like to join. It is, I think it's like a £5 off your box. I do get a little bit something back as well though, but I'll leave the link to that below. And yeah, I'm now going to go guys, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. As I said, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!